David makes food. David shares cooking with all of his friends. Yay!
Another episode of Dinner with David. We have Gambasalagiel.
So put in
Grapes
some
and
roasted garlic, grapeseed oil. You're gonna put a little bit in each one. Here, let's turn it on.
Okay.
So you add a little bit in each
So
one.
a little bit?
Yep.
So on today's episode, we have people that
Well, that's
actually
enough. Yep, that's it.
people that actually know what the crap they're doing with
Sort of.
And we're doing a scampi blend. It's very fancy scampi.
Super fancy.
In our grapeseed
All right,
oil.
so I would add like
Just do a little
2/3 in this
like-
one, and like a third in that one.
Okay.
Whoa!
But-
All right, well, you
I'm bad at the
underestimated.
2/3. There's the other 2/3. That's. I have a nice white for you tonight.
What kind is that?
This is a Sauvignon Blanc, vintage 2017. I heard it was a
Super
great
fancy.
year. A great year. Chateau Ste Michel.
No more.
Action.
Okay. So next you're going to put half the spinach in one and half the spinach in the other.
Hopefully. Oh,
We gotta
psych.
add some basil paste.
Ooh.
Yeah, you get to squeeze some paste in there.
Paste de basil. It really is. We're grabbing this.
Half the spinach in one, half the spinach in the other.
Okay. Other stuff. Just gonna keep going.
Yeah.
I think we need more wine. Yes.
We have tomatoes.
I say tomatoes.
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 Your mom.
Super easy.
Yep.
Yeah,
Yep,
this
we're
is
basically
exactly
Olive
like
Garden.
Olive Garden. We
What?
are Olive Garden.
Have the big ones.
Do you need a fork to?
Mostly. There we go. Yeah. Put the bigger
Oh,
guys.
oh.
We're gonna have shrimp dropping the shrimp.
Shrimp, dropping the shrimp. Right thing?
No.
Look at the
No.
camera.
No.
Say hi.
Hi.
Do. Drop it. This one.
Drop it.
This
This
one.
one. Ah, okay. Ah. Good lord.
Drop it. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
What song is this?
It's my roller skating song.
I'm roller skating. This is chicken.
What's this one?
Shrimp.
That's shrimp.
Shrimp on the.
All right.
So the pasta goes into this one. All right, Fanny, you
Yeah?
ready to press record? You can add like maybe half, maybe.
Halfish? You could just so real good. Like honestly, the like soupiness. That's the technical term. Was so good that I'm just gonna like finish it off. So